Okay, so we're going to get into the truck position from the rolling back take off of the arm. All right, so what I would do, I'd come in, get my position, get the wrist, roll back into here, come up. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it seem like I'm going for it. I'm going to get a hold of the wrist, put my hand behind the back. But what I'm actually doing is tucking my heel in behind his knee. All right, so I'm going to come in, I'm going to step here, and then as I'm dropping, I'm going from wrist to leg with my hand. All right, so I'm just going to come in, getting here, and then as I'm dropping, I'm getting here into the truck. All right, what I really want is the back take from there. So coming in, and instead of this, I'm just going to make it seem like I'm going for it. Putting my hand on the leg and rolling through. Okay, from here I'm just pushing right into his knee, taking it back, punching the choke right away. So one more time. Over here, I'm grip fighting, I'm coming in, making it seem like I'm going for it. Hand goes from wrist to leg. Okay? See, people are overthinking the hook at the beginning, so it's getting a little confusing for everybody. So what we're going to do, when I'm coming in, all I'm doing is just stepping into position. Okay, I'm just putting my foot there and then I'm doing the roll. My hand on the other side of the leg is going to make it like a little trap where the leg can't go anywhere anyway. Okay, so don't overthink that part. I'm coming in, I'm making it seem like I'm going for this, and then my hand comes here. My leg's on one side of his leg, my hand's on the other side of the leg. So when I roll back, see how they're together? It's just in the right spot. That's what puts it there. Alright, and then from here, I punch it down, right through right away. Okay, so don't overthink the beginning. Get here, you're stepping in like you're going to go for it. This hand doesn't really matter. I just want him to think I'm going high. Alright, so I come in, I'm just stepping like that. Okay, so here, we're playing, and then boom. See the roll, the rotation brings everything over anyway. Okay? But my hand and my foot coming close together is what keeps it all tight. Let's do it.